Hi guys, let me tell you about my Spanish cedar humidor. It can hold up to 20 to 25 cigars depending on the size. Let me tell you a little bit about how it works and what it can do. Okay, you want to take the humidifier, we're going to place it upside down. It's going to sit there for around 3 minutes. And if you need to, you can put a little bit of weight on top of it. This is staying down. I like to use a deep plate. That way I don't have to try to fit inside of a large bowl. It uses a lot less water this way. I also use purified water just to make it better and help the filter last longer. And you can see it's sitting down pretty well. All right guys, after soaking the humidifier for 3 minutes upside down, which you can see these, you put this face down in the water. We went ahead and soaked it, wiped off all the excess water. And we have this wonderful Spanish cedar that the humidor is made out of. And then what you saw I just put in was just a cedar divider. It's very easy, you can place it anywhere in here you want. So I like to keep it at the side. Now some things to note, this is actually very thick cedar, which you don't always see on humidors. It does have a nice humidity and temperature gauge on the front. So most cigars, you're gonna want 65 to 75% humidity. It has a nice also glass portal here, so you can see your cigars and see if you need to tend to them. The coloring on this is fantastic. A very simple on and off switch is right here on this button. And this is also where the battery goes. And then you can just take your cigars, place them in here in any way you want. Smells fantastic, by the way. It's very wonderful condition here. And I just picked these up today, so it works out really well. This seals up, and another wonderful thing to know is when this does seal up, there's not actually any play, so it seals up very solid. As you can see all the way around, there's no slop or uneven surfaces. So when you have your cigars, especially if you have some higher end cigars, you don't want any air to get in that's unwanted. So wonderful product, wonderful setup. It comes with everything you need. It even has the dispenser that you can add water to when you need to on your humidifier in here. So highly recommend, guys. Check them out, and thank you.